OCCObaby Clinical Digital Baby Thermometer, flexible by OCCObaby is one of the best sellers among baby thermometers products. Designed specifically for babies, ultra-fast, 10-sec, and accurate, 110-degree, thermometer with flexible tip, waterproof design for easy cleaning and tiny silver probes for comfortable rectal and oral use. Rapidly measure your baby's temperature 6 by faster compared to traditional digital thermometers. OCCOflux ultra-sensitive tiny silver tip, superior microchip and unparalleled technology ensures clinical accuracy and reliability. Versatile, rectal oral armpit measurements for infants, toddlers, kids. Safe and comfortable, best digital thermometer and mercury-free glass alternative with Fahrenheit and Celsius options and large easy-to-read display and fever alarm. Doctor tested for your child's safety. Backed by the manufacturer's 60-day no questions asked money-back guarantee and lifetime warranty. If you're not happy with the product for any reason, simply return it for a full refund. The manufacturer's warranty applies only to purchases made from OCCObaby.